Hello my beautiful family members. Today I'll be sharing this delicious samosa recipe with you guys. You all are welcome to my YouTube channel. To start with this recipe, I'll be making my samosa fillings, and for my fillings I'll be using minced meat. I'll be using carrots. I'll be using some spring onions. I'll be using some bell pepper, green bell pepper, some chopped onions, scotch bonnet pepper, salt to taste, and I'll be seasoning with these spices too as well. I have my curry too. I'll start by grating my carrots, and I'm grating my carrots with the big side of my grater. And this is what we have after grating my carrot. This is what it actually looks like. I'm going to add some vegetable oil into my pot on fire. Then I'm going to add my onions and allow this to fry for a few minutes to release some flavor. After that, I'm going to add my minced meat. I'll add my minced meat and allow this to stir fry for a few minutes. And after that, this is what we have. So I'm going to add my scotch bonnet pepper now. Then mix everything together and allow that to fry too for a few minutes. Then I'll be adding my green bell pepper. So I'm just going to stir everything together. So I'm adding my salt and my seasoning too goes in as well. So I'm just going to stir everything together and allow this to cook for a few minutes. After some minutes, this is what we have. So the next thing I'll be adding now is my grated carrots. So I'm just going to mix this very well. I'll mix it until everything is well combined. The next thing I'll be adding now is my spring onions. So I'm just going to mix this very well and then turn off the heat. And that's it. Samosa filling is ready. For the next step, I'll be making my samosa wrap. To make my samosa wrap, I need flour and a pinch of salt. So I'm going to add water to this to form a paste. I'm going to mix this very well. I'll mix it until it is well smooth and I make sure that there is no lump inside it. So the consistency of what I'm looking for is this. It is not too running and it is not too thick. And that's our samosa wrap batter. And for the next step, I'm going to get my non-stick frying pan and place it on a very low heat. So once it's heated up a little bit, like warm a little bit, I'm going to apply my samosa batter on it with my palm. So after that, I'll place it back on the heat. Please, this has to be done on a very low heat. So once the edges are started peeling off, as you can see, then you remove it and peel off your samosa wrap, and that is our samosa wrap. The reason why I'm not doing this direct on the heat is for it not to burn my hand, because if you place it direct on the heat, it will be too hot and it can burn your hand. So I'm just going to repeat this process over and over again until I'm done with the old batter. So this is my samosa wrap. So I sprinkle some flour at the middle to prevent it from sticking. So the first thing, I'm going to pick one of the wrap and fold it half, like half of the wrap. Then I'm going to place another half, like quarter, on top of it. Then apply my samosa gum, like the gum is for my leftover batter. So I'm just going to apply it there. Then I'll fold the other half on top of it to form the triangle. So once that is set, I'm going to open the inside, then put my filling inside. So I'm just going to cover it with one side of the wrap. So apply my gum again, then use it to close it properly and tighten it up properly. And that is it. It's actually very easy to make. So you just have to watch the video very well. You are going to get it. It's very easy, so easy to fold. I'm going to be repeating this process again with the rest of the wrap. So wash closely and you will get it. If you are yet to subscribe, please subscribe. Please subscribe and be part of the family. I share amazing recipe on my YouTube channel. And please don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that when next I drop a new video, you will be notified. Also, please like, share, and drop some comments for me in the comment section. Next thing is that I want to show you how to use this samosa cutter. For you to use your samosa cutter, you need to double your samosa wrap. So what I did here was to fold one samosa sheet into two. Then I place it on my samosa cutter. The next thing is I'm going to be putting my samosa filling. So if you are putting your samosa filling, don't overfill it. After putting your samosa filling, you put in your gum at the edge of the samosa cutter. Then you close it to trim off all the edges, that is all the excess from the samosa wrap. You trim it off. And that's it. This is our samosa using the samosa cutter. So the only disadvantage from this is that you have to trim off some excesses from it. So I'm just going to repeat the same process again. I believe in this video I've been able to show you how to wrap your samosa with the easiest step, and now I believe you can now start making your own samosa at home by yourself. And please, if you are here to subscribe, please subscribe and don't forget to turn on your notification bell. So the next thing is I'll start frying my samosa. I've heated up my oil, so I'm just dropping each of the samosa inside and allow this to fry until it is golden brown. Once it's fried to golden brown like this, the samosa is ready. Then you take it off from the oil. And this is what my samosa look like after frying it. So for the one I use the cutter with, the disadvantages is that you are going to have some opening. That is why you have to double it very well, and it's not as bad as that. So for the excess I trim off, I actually fry the excess into these nice golden chips that your kids can enjoy. So till I come your way in my next video, keep believing in yourself. Bye bye guys, and thank you for watching.